Test Track 2.0 is closing on June 17th, 2024 to undergo a major renovation and retheme, so today we're taking a final look at the current iteration of the ride. When Test Track first opened in 1998, it placed riders in the position of crash test dummy, hurdling them through a series of grueling safety tests before launching them for a test lap at speeds of almost 65 miles an hour.
Test Track, new at EPCOT.
In 2012, Test Track 2.0 promoted riders to the position of ride designer, adding an interactive element where you can use large touchscreens to design your simulated car, which will be evaluated based on 4 performance attributes: capability, efficiency, responsiveness, and power. Although this interactive element was initially praised, it does lose some of its novelty on multiple re-rides. Version 2.0 also included a complete retheme of the ride's interior, giving it a futuristic look full of bright neon visuals and sleek lines, reminiscent of the classic Disney film Tron.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. SimCar performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SimCar off-road in extreme weather situations. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Research in progress. Calculate environment impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
The enhanced theming and special effects were generally well received, but some riders found the indoor sections to be jerky and confusing, and missing some of the detail and educational aspects of the original ride. Arriving back at the showroom, you can see how your vehicle performed, play a few virtual games, and check out some of the newest Chevrolet vehicles. Overall, Test Track 2.0 received mixed reviews, with some praising the interactive elements and others finding the new aesthetic to be a little bit boring. Based on early concept art for version 3.0, it looks like Disney will be addressing some of the criticisms, focusing the experience on the future of technology while drawing inspiration from the original ride that inhabited this space, the World of Motion. With enhanced theming and an improved ride experience, Test Track 3.0 promises to be one of the most popular rides at Epcot for years to come. Let me know which version of Test Track you like the best, and until next time, remember to keep exploring.